How have you managed it, bright busy bee? You are all of you useful, yet each of you free. What man only talks of, the busy bee does, shares food and keeps order with no waste of buzz. No cell that's too narrow, no squandering of wax, no damage to pay, and no rent, and no tax. No drones kept in honey to look on and prate, no property tyrants, no bigwigs of state. Free access to flowers, free use of all wings, and when beelife is threatened, then free use of stings. No fighting for glory, no fighting for pelf, each thrust at the risk of each soldier himself. Comes over much plenty one summer, you'll see, a lull and a leisure for each busy bee. No overwork, underwork, glut of the spoil, no hunger for any, no purposeless toil. Economy, liberty, order, and wealth. Say, busy bee, how you reached social health?